my crafty friends, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to an introduction video for my latest series. If you have guessed it, I am doing 5 scrapbook layouts focusing on stamps. And because this is my intro, I kind of wanted to share with you how I store my stamps. Now these are just my clear stamps. I will try to remember to insert a picture of how I store my wood block stamps. I have one of those not spice rack, but spice steps thing, where there's like 3-step shelving, so that on the back it's raised, and so you can see all of your stamps. So I'm gonna try to insert that in this video as well. But anyways, let me share with you some of the stamps that I have. Now I put some stamps over here in this pink bucket, and this one I got at the Target dollar spot a long time ago. And I specifically put all of my I used to be part of the design team for Inspired by Stamping, and I was in their team for, I believe, 2 years, 3 years. And so I collected a lot of the stamps, and a lot of these are not in packaging, just because the owners sends us the stamps before it gets packaged, and so I just divided them, and I have my own kind of homemade dividers. So I have some paper, which is the circle, and I divided them by like the major grouping: the flowers, birthday, borders, frames, Christmas, and others. And then in the front I have like sentiments, and also little stamp sets. So this is how I store my IBS stamps, and I specifically store them separately because I know that these are all IBS stamps. Actually, this is not, but I just put them in there because they're big. And then for the rest of my clear stamps, I put them in this container. This is a really nice weaved basket container that I got at Goodwill. And I just like that it has compartments. So as you can see, this area is stuffed, and these are stuffed as well, but I had pulled out the stamps that I wanted to use for this particular series. So I kind of, I don't really have a rhyme or reason of sorting them. The only way I sort them is by size. So I have my smallest ones over here, and then it goes to kind of the middle-sized one. I do have like wider ones here, and then all of my, I think this is like what, a 4x6 size stamp, like your normal size, and I just have them here. I do have them in their packaging still because I feel like they're already in the packaging. I'm not gonna do the special plastic packaging. I don't know, I'm lazy that way, but I'm just gonna leave them in their packaging because they are clear packaging, and so I'm fine with that. And but I do combine, like say I have a lot of Technique Tuesday, I make sure that I put them together by companies, and then I have, you know, like my single stuff. So maybe later on I will sort them by categories, but for right now, this works for me. I have I have a big wood block stamp that I do put on the side, and then this cling mount, just because they're different, so I put them over here. But I've always, like, my feelings about stamps, as far as like owning them, is, for me, this is the only container that I will have the clear stamps. I do have a container for my wood, and also for just that specific IBS, but anything that if I were to buy some more stamps, it will be housed here. And so that means for me is that I have to, if this is full already, I have to purge it in order for me to buy it, which helps kind of, you know, balance out the buying and the using for me, because honestly, that's one of the reasons why I am doing this series, because I feel like I haven't really played with my stamps for very long. So if you are interested in seeing me create some, or getting inspirations in me using stamps in scrapbook layouts, I hope that you will like this video and subscribe, and hit that bell button so that you will be notified when I do post my layouts for this series. If you have any questions, let me know in the description box below, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!